Now, every software has their own terminology for certain features. For example, when I generate a render, I could say I created a render, exported a render, or even saved an image. Similarly, in Enscape, renders are called screenshots. When you click on Save Screenshot, you are actually exporting the render. Now, render probably means rendering the image, right? But since Enscape is real-time, the image is already rendered in a way, so you just have to save a screenshot of what you see on your screen. We all know how to save a single screenshot using the screenshot button. You click it, and in seconds, your image is saved. But today I am going to show you how to export all views at the same time, all at once. Yes, you could do that. All you have to do is to click this batch rendering button. A new window will open. All views are listed here. You can click this down arrow to select all of them, or to select your favorites list, which you can see here marked with a heart. You can also manually select views you want to export. Let me select all of them and see how to export all of them in one click. Do you see this blue Render Images button on the bottom? Yes, this is the only button you need to click. You will be asked to define a location to save these exports. Once defined, the views will start exporting one by one. You will also be able to see a preview of the views and the status of your exports as well. And your exports are ready! You can view them in the defined folder. Now, batch rendering is not meant only for images. You can also create views for locations you want panoramas from. And from the batch rendering window, select all those views and create multiple panoramas at once as well. Let's create one to see how it works. So no need to create individual renders or panoramas. Once you have all ready, you can simply click on batch rendering and have them all exported at once. Hope you found the video helpful. See you in the next lesson.